Organization try to base our programs on women empowerment. This program by Ratna Veera about her book Daughter by Court Order is a program in the line. She's written a very good book on the book's name is Daughter by Court Order. This book actually speaks about the hypocrisy in the society, where women have a different a persona or an image in the outside world, and in their own world, in their own families, they treat their daughters or their daughter-in-laws differently. So we at this platform we are talking about these topics so as to bring in an awareness and encourage women to treat other women equally on the same platform as they would treat men.
Child labor and you're making any
In this program, we are not talking about child labor. In this program, we are basically talking about daughters and sons being treated equally on the same platform.
women are going lesser.
Yeah, that's what we are speaking about that also in this program, that there is a lot of abortion cases against women in Haryana and in India in general, and it's there in the affluent society also. Though people perceive that it's more in the rural areas or in the lower strata of society, but what we have realized that it is there in the affluent strata of society also. So once we empower women, we tell them they have to treat their daughters or their daughter-in-laws equally. That's where the change will start.
About your meaning of women dowry system.
Yeah, so once they treat their daughters and their daughter-in-laws on the same platform as their sons, obviously the issue of dowry also gets hidden. And in this book, a daughter has basically stood up against her family. She's stood up for her rights, both for financially and her legal right as a daughter. So when women start speaking up, when they start speaking up about their rights in the in the property and in the family heirloom, that's when the dowry would automatically get curtailed.
Women security.
Women security, yes, when women treat women, their daughter and their son equally, the sons also start respecting their sisters and their wives and other women around them. So it is about empowering each section. Once the mother of the family, the grandmother of the family is educated and she understands that she has to treat all women equally, obviously the sons. Yeah, absolutely. It is, see, at one level, yes, we can request the police to take care, we can ask the police to be more proactive, but on the second level, if the men in the society start treating the women at the same level as they are, they will automatically stop cruelty against women, be it rapes, be it physical violence, be it emotional violence.